Are you looking forward to create league on Fantasy Premier League? Then you're on the right video. The very first thing you want to do is move into your application Fantasy Premier League. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. In the section of Leagues and Cup, you will see the option where it says Join Leagues. Simply click on this option. Once you're in this page, you will see the option where it says Create a League. Click on it. You can create two different leagues. One is Create a League and Cup and another is Head-to-Head League. You can select whichever league you want to create. Let me select Create Head-to-Head League at the bottom. Now you need to fill up the information. First of all, give the name for your league. Once selected, now you need to select the scoring starts. Once you have selected, enter the maximum size for the league. Once you have selected, also select the knockout rounds. After that, you simply have to click on Create League. And there you go. If you scroll down, you will be able to see that your league has been created successfully. Now if you click on the settings, you will be able to edit the league as well. Now you can invite the players to join this league. So this is simply how you can create a league on Fantasy Premier League. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.